Look here.
He is very big.
Here, put your head. What are you doing? Put your hand behind her neck. Put your elbow, honey. Your elbow. Put your elbow in there to hold her head, support her head. There we go.
She's starting to go to sleep on my hand. This is so much fun having a baby. Look over there. Look over here.
Don't bounce her head around. Look how big she is. She's getting so big. My two girls.
Look at Mommy.
Look, there's Chelsea. Oh, she's hiding now.
Now
Hi, Chelsers. She said, I'm out.
oh,
Okay, hi, sorry. Okay, bye-bye.